So welcome back, guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do your basic video editing using your Android phone or your iPhone or even your tablet device. Okay, so come with me, guys. I'll be giving you the basic knowledge and help you get used to the tools here so that when we proceed to the advanced level you won't find it difficult to follow up. So this is the CapCut app. Now I'll be showing you how to import your videos. So to import your videos, your video clip, you have to make use of this plus icon here. So the plus icon showing new project, so you click on it. So you can basically see all your videos, your pictures on your gallery. You can also click on the album. You can select any of your video that you want, so on your phone. So let's just choose from the video. Let's end the video. So let's just choose a particular video. Okay, I go for this. Let's go with that. Then so I'll just go with this as well. So when you are done, you see this add button, you just click on it. So this is how the CapCut interface look like. So to cut the video to a point you start talking, you just click on the video. You can see it is highlighted already. You can see this white stuff here, this white stuff. You can use it to adjust the video to the point where you start talking. So what you do is just hold on to it and move it to the point you start talking. So let's practicalize it. So this is how you do it. You can just hold it here, you see, you can just move it. You see me moving it to the point I want it to be. So you can see it now. You can also do this in another way. This one, you cut it exactly where you want it to start from. So now let's say I want to cut this video right after I start my introduction. What I'll do is to locate the intro and cut it exactly at that point. Okay, so let's practicalize it. So also note that this white line is called the playhead. Okay, so to cut this video, you click on it. You can see it has been highlighted already. See, I just click on it, it's highlighted. So you can see a lot of tools listed down here. So you use this split button, which is the first tool here. So let's just get our intro. So let's practicalize it. Let's get our intro. It's Jovi Media. So I've been getting a lot of response. So I want to cut it here. So I'll just highlight it. You see this split button, you click on it. You see this video has been divided into two. 1, 2. Okay, so you can delete any one, but since we are deleting just the intro, just click on it, this first one. So you can see the delete button here. So I'll just click on the delete button. You see it's gone. It's gone. Okay, now another thing I want to show you. Let's say I want to place the second video to the beginning. I want to bring the second video to the beginning. I want the second video to play before this particular first video. So what I'll do is to long press this video. So you click on it and hold it down. So this is what I mean. You just click on this. You see, you can move it here, you can move it here. I want to put this second one. No, this is the first one now, right? So you just click it, long press it. I'll move it to the back. So you see it will automatically go to the back. You see now, you see this one start first now. So another thing I want to show you, let's delete this first video. So let's say I want to add this video. Let's delete this first video. So you click on it, delete. You see it has been deleted. We only have just this one now. So I want to add this video I just deleted so that they both can play at the same time. So more like a reaction video. So how to do that? I'll have to add the video as an overlay. So this time I'm no longer going to use this you see the plus icon that I used earlier. So I will use the overlay tool here. You can see overlay here, overlay. So you click on add overlay. So I'll now select the video. See the video here, I'll just select it, click on it. So you click on the add button here as well. So you can see, so you see the video now overlapping the first video. So you can see it's now on top, it's directly on top the main clip. You can use your 2 fingers to reduce the size of this video. How do you do that? You just use your 2 fingers to reduce it. You can see. So you can move it to any part. Let's just leave it here. Let's just leave the video here. Just use your fingers to pinch the video, reduce it to any point that you want. So that is that. So if you also want to increase the speed of this video, if you want it to play much faster, you click on, you see the speed tool down here. You can look at it. Okay, look at it. Click on the normal. You can make it play 2 times faster. So you can see it's already selected 2 times faster, 5 times faster, 10 times faster. It will be too much. So this 2 times faster. So you click on it. So you see this down, because it's the down one that has been highlighted that effect will work on. So you see it will be running faster. Okay, so now CapCut has a lot of tools. So now to increase the volume of this video, you click on the clip as well. Click on this clip. You can see the volume tool here. You can move it to all to 1000. When you are done, you click on the mark button as well. So you can listen. Response from people about their applications. So a lot of tools are here that you can just work with. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? This is your time. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.